All right, everybody, here's your week 2 for Tuesday for grammar. Your week 6 Tuesday for grammar. Sorry, guys. So here we're trying to find two verbs, the compound predicate. Toads have flat bodies and lay their eggs in chains. They have flat bodies. They lay their eggs in chains. Yes. Toads are covered in warts. We only have one verb there. So no. American toads hide under leaf litter in the daytime and eat thousands of insects at nighttime. They hide, they eat. Yes. So check, X, check. For your, we've got some suffixes today. So what we're going to do, we're going to create the noun, then see the base word it comes from, verb-wise, and then figure out what that suffix is. So, vacation. That's what you all think of, right? During the summer, during holidays, you get to go on a vacation sometimes. So the verb base it comes from is to vacate, which means to leave, basically. Vacate the premises. So your suffix you added was I-O-N at the end of the word. For this one, if y'all have seen, I've seen a lot of people lately doing this with gymnastics, competition, okay? So you would do T-I-O-N, and that comes from the word to compete. So your suffix there that we added was I-O-N. And I know we added the T, but because we're looking at the word compete, you already have the T, so you just automatically know you would add that to the end. For the next one, this one comes from the word explosion. That comes from the word explode. So think of some dynamite trying to mine in the mountains, searching for gold. So you added S-I-O-N. So because the S wasn't in the base word, we do have to add that for your suffix. Okay? So I know those will take some getting used to. For the sentence, it says, a frog rolls out its long tongue to catch insects. So we're going to capitalize A. A frog rolls out its long tongue to catch insects. We don't need that apostrophe, but we do need a period. So a frog rolls out its long tongue to catch insects. So that one didn't have as much to do today. So you would say, a frog rolls out its long tongue to catch insects. And just go back and make sure you made your changes here. So we capitalize the beginning letter, we add punctuation at the end, and we fix that apostrophe. Once again, we're looking at adverbs and the verbs they describe. The baby smiled. Mom told me to speak slowly. Speak. My cousin visited. Our newspaper is delivered. So those are your verbs. Those are the actions that are actually happening. Now let's see your adverb and see how. How did the baby smile? Happily. How did I speak? Slowly. When was it delivered? Or when did they visit? Yesterday. When was it delivered? Daily. So those words describe when or how it happened. Okay? And then your last one was the best way to combine the sentences. The frog's front feet have 4 toes. Its back feet have 5 toes. Okay, so you're looking how to combine them together. So let's see how they did it. This one makes no sense because that's a run-on sentence. There's no kind of way that it's linking it. All they did was take away the period. This one has a really good comma conjunction and its back feet. Okay, so that one's good. This one, all they did was add a comma, so it's just like this one. It's a run-on sentence. So the best option would be B. So please make your changes to yours and let me know if you have questions.